Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to allow camera access on TikTok. So whenever you open your TikTok and you can see this camera feature or you can't have access to the camera here on your TikTok application, one thing you should do is you have to make sure that this one is allowed on your permission. So to do that, you have to go to your settings, phone settings, and if you're using Android, you have to scroll down and look for app management. Under app management, you see this app list. So you have to tap that one. And then here you have to scroll down and look for TikTok, or you can just simply search TikTok application here. So scroll down. Once you found this TikTok application, what you're going to do next is you have to tap this one or open this one. And then what you're going to do next is that you have to look for the permission feature of TikTok application. So you have to scroll down here and then click this permissions under manage notifications. Once you tap this, then you will see allowed and denied option here. So you have to make sure that the camera, microphone, storage, and other features are under allowed. So that means you have allowed TikTok to have access to your camera, phone, storage, and other features on your mobile. So basically that's it. So when you open your TikTok again, you will see your camera or you will have the access to your camera on TikTok application. If you want to suggest a topic or if you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.